Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. My dears, we have studied reproduction in animals part 1 in our previous class, that is for grade 4. Today we shall learn a new concept, that is egg laying animals in our today's session. Yes my dears, egg laying animals are the animals which lays egg are known as egg-laying animals. For examples, birds, fish, insects, frogs, snakes and crocodiles are the egg-laying animals. They keep egg in warm place or sit on them to keep warm. When the egg matures, baby hatches out. Yes, my dears, we have all observed very popular or very familiar egg to us is an egg, which is very healthy food too for human beings, where egg is laid by the hen and it even gives warmth to that egg, and which on later that egg will hatches into a new baby. Yes my dears, I hope you have understood what are the egg laying animals. The animals who lay eggs are called egg laying animals. Birds like hen and parrot lays egg. All birds such as crow, sparrow, eagle reproduce by their laying eggs, where they do not give birth to their young ones directly. Instead, they lay eggs. Female birds lay eggs in nest. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. After some time, the egg matures and the baby bird hatches out. We have already discussed how baby of the hen is obtained, that is by egg. It means that hen lays egg and it sits on that egg to keep the egg warm, and it gives that egg warm, and later on that egg hatches into a baby. The young ones do not have feathers which had came out by that eggs, and their eyes are closed, but take care of them. Yes my dears, most of our surrounding today we are observing the pigeons. That pigeons too will lay eggs, where they keep their egg warm, so that after some time the baby will come out. In the egg, the developed baby grows through a different stages of development before it is ready to hatch out. As we take 9 months to come out from a mother, same thing that happens not about so many months like this, but it even takes some time, and it grows step by step as human grow, where each step has its own process, where the first step is started and up to final step, that is up to the step where the new birth or new baby is born, is called life cycle. The starting stage to end stage of the development of any new organism is called as life cycle. Yes my dears, fishes lay eggs at a safe place in water. The eggs of the fish are called as spawn. Fish eggs do not have shells. Eggs grow to be an adult fish. My dears, we already know that fish even lays eggs, but these fishes, eggs of these fishes are called as spawn. The fish's eggs do not have shells, which is the outermost covering of the egg. Egg grows to be an adult fish. That egg which is laid by a younger fish or mother fish later on grows into a new fish that grows to be after some days into a adult fish. Fishes lay thousands of eggs in water. Out of these, only few hundreds grow into a baby fish. Many eggs are eaten by the fish or big fish, while many eggs are crushed by fast water current. Yes, my dears, not all the eggs laid by the fish grow into a new baby, where if that is laying thousands of eggs in a water, only few, that is only few hundreds that laid eggs grow into a baby fish, where some are eaten by the other fishes, other big fishes, while some are crushed, which are destroyed by due to some reasons like fast water current. Frogs lay eggs in large clusters. These eggs are called spawns. Yes, my dears, even we have called the eggs of fishes into a spawn, where these frogs lay eggs into in a clusters, in a large clusters. It means that in a large amount they lay eggs. Adult, about 3 weeks later, egg develops into a tadpole. It has tail, breathes through gills, and looks like a fish. Yes, my dears, after some days, it means after 3 weeks, which the eggs which are laid by the frog develops into a tadpole. That means as a small little kid which has tail. The tadpoles has a tail, where these frogs breathes through gills. The tadpoles gradually lose their tails and develops legs and lungs, where we have told that they have tails and even they look like fishes. But after some days they gradually lose their tails and develops legs and lungs. This process is known as metamorphosis. Yes, my dears, this process is called as metamorphosis, where a tadpole changes into an adult frog. The process by which tadpole changes into an adult frog is called as metamorphosis. My dears, repeat with me that a process of tadpole changes into an adult fish is called metamorphosis. Now we shall study our next topic, that is reptiles. Reptiles like lizards, tortoises and snakes lay eggs on the ground. They do not sit on the eggs to keep them warm. The eggs are warmed by the heat of sun. My dears, we have discussed that some birds like hen, crow, they lay eggs and sit on them to keep that eggs warm. But here, whereas in reptiles, they lay eggs on the ground. They do not sit on the eggs to keep them warm. How do they get hatched is, the eggs are getting hatched by getting warm. That eggs are getting warm by the heat of sun itself. Yes, my dears, I hope you have got little knowledge about reptiles now. Reptiles like lizards, tortoises. Have you ever seen the eggs of lizards in your home? Yes, it might be, or you might be seen. Crocodiles dig shallow pits in a sandy river banks to lay their eggs. The mother covers the eggs with sand and guards them. When the babies hatches out from the eggs, it drags away the sand and sets them free. See how nice the process of the crocodile is, where the crocodile lays egg. How does it lay egg is, it just digs the sand which is present beside the river bank, and the mother covers the all laid eggs with the sand, and it guards that, it keep watching those eggs. The mother crocodile keep watching the eggs. When babies hatches out from the eggs, it digs away the sand and sets them free. Yes, my dear, similarly in our homes, whenever our mother give birth to us, she protects us. But whenever she comes to know that we have grown, we have become elder, or we have grown adult, what she does is she let us to go free from our home to play. That is what mother care is. My dears, we have studied very interesting topics in our second chapter. I hope you have understood all the things. Thank you.